Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm just going to tell you that how can you use this walkie-talkie. So basically this is a sometimes some people call it radio as well, sometimes people call it walkie-talkie, or so different name of it. So basically in this video I will tell you that what are the main purpose for it and why we use it. So basically this is get used on the commercial level. So we use it on the commercial level for transmitting our voices from person to person. So this will actually help us so much. So basically this is Motorola one. I'm just going to tell you that there is two rotating things on it. So the first thing is basically the volume of it. So and the second thing is the channel. So if you press it,
Channel 5.
so you can hear that. So it's saying that channel 5. So basically whenever you are working somewhere, so they will actually tell you to, because there are so many walkie-talkies, so you have to match the same frequency with them.
Channel 4.
So basically I'm using the number 4 or number 3, whichever you want to use it. So you can basically use the frequency. So whenever you have to speak, you have to press this left hand side button. So when you press on it, so it will like beep and you can speak and you can deliver your message. So basically you can, this is a radio. So basically this is a antenna which you can use, and this is the pen hook which you can hook to your clothes or wherever, to your uniform. So hope so my little, so this is the basically the all of the thing is, so this is my little intro about the radio. So whenever you have to use it, so this is a simple thing. Hope so you will like my videos. Subscribe my channel, daily hacks. Bye bye.